Hey folks! Ever wished for a tool that makes investing a breeze? Well, your wish is granted. If you've ever been overwhelmed by the complexities of stock investing or thought it was too time-consuming or risky, you are not alone. Today, we're delving into the TYKR Lifetime Deal, a true innovation in the investing world. Regardless of your investing experience or if you're just starting out, you'll definitely want to grab this deal. Let's explore how TYKR can make investing simpler and more accessible for you. What is TYKR? It's like having your financial advisor keep track of your investments. TYKR makes investing easier by guiding you through your investment journey. It finds on-sale stocks and shows you why they are on sale, giving you confidence that you're making a wise investment. No more spending hours researching or feeling unsure about your investment decisions. It's the modern way for busy people like us to invest confidently. Trust me, once you try TYKR, you'll wonder how you ever invested without it. Time-sensitive lifetime deals on AppSumo, buy now. The official regular pricing for TYKR Pro is over $1,200, but on AppSumo, it is only $149. This is a one-time, single payment. Key features of TYKR Pro: reduce risk and save money. Investment guidance. Confidence booster. Find great stocks. Easy-to-use dashboard. Detailed explanations. Margin of safety, MOS. You get access to all TYKR features for life, with no additional charges. Try TYKR for 2 months to ensure it's right for you. Check out the link in the description for more details on our AppSumo offer. 6 most important features that make TYKR special. Automated investment recommendations. TYKR does all the hard work for you, recommending stocks to buy and sell. Clear explanations. TYKR provides clear explanations of why a stock is a good or bad investment. Stock alerts. Get alerts on stock price changes and investment opportunities. Portfolio tracker. Track your portfolio performance and stay updated on your investments. CSV downloads/uploads. Easily manage your investment data with CSV file support. Transparency. TYKR offers open source calculations, giving you transparency on the math behind the recommendations. People who can benefit from TYKR. Entrepreneur curious. Freelancers. Solopreneurs. Small business owners. Beginners. Experienced investors. Anyone seeking financial independence. Enhance your savings. Grab 10% extra on AppSumo deals. Got your eyes on the TYKR Lifetime Deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yes, it's happening. On top of that sweet $149 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's TYKR Lifetime Deal offer. Look for a pop-up bar offering the discount. Type in an active email address. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that TYKR Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Alright, folks. Curious about what real users are saying about TYKR? Let's dive into some genuine reviews and see the magic through their eyes. So, are you ready to transform your investing chaos into a symphony? Dive into the world of TYKR. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.